which you are trying. So when you have.
Thank you, Jesus.
So the to aromatic hydrocarbons and highly branched alkenes, of which show less tendency for it's more or less like you are trying to, because those ones they are not so something or and you need high temperature. Maybe the thing you want to boil or whatever, or it is around 150 above. So also this one, they are the same, so that nobody is now yes, no, organic chemistry. So it represents the petroleum, but as things of various types, we have the limonene, we have the music, we have these things, just for provided there is need for it. So when you have 2px and 1s is involved.
I mean, those two, that.
How much let me pay before About 4,000. So guys, I'm back home and please, for the background noise, there is no light. It is well, but there is no light right now, and one of my hostel mates turned on their gen, so that is why I'm going to try and speak loud so you can hear. So guys, I will be unboxing the package I got. Finally, your baby girl got a gadget. Yes, oh my light. This is my tripod stand, and this is supposed to be a 5.5 tripod stand. Yes, that was what I ordered for. I don't know if there is anywhere they would write anything like 5.5. This is it, guys. I don't know if you can see. I'll make sure I zoom this. This is 550, so I guess it's a 5.5 tripod stand. This should be for the LED light. Then I also got a LED light. So guys, this is the professional photo and video LED light. And guys, I also bought this sticker. Guys, I've been seeing it on IG, and I just had to remove this and then put it on my phone. So this is it. This is the light. But so guys, this is the battery charger. So guys, this is the highest. So I'm just going to bring it down.
Guys, I just want to say this. I don't think I have ever been this happy for a long time now. Oh God. Thank you, Jesus. So guys, this is the sticker. I'm just going to keep it somewhere until when I want to use it.
And some other part of my room, and I'm just going to keep it till whenever I need it. So this is the normal, you guys know the normal LED clock now, you know that normal LED clock. I also got this, I'll just keep it somewhere. So the next package, so I got this CeraVe smoothing cleanser. I am just hoping this will help me reduce the rough patches on my skin or my face. And next, I also got a new sunscreen. I was using Dr. Rachel before, but I wasn't feeling like it wasn't giving me that protection it was supposed to give my face. So I am not saying Dr. Rachel is not good, but I just decided to change. So guys, this is the only two things I got for skincare. Guys, I also got this glass mug. I got the medium size. I just love that rubber stuff on the mug, and it also came with a straw washer, or I call it a straw washer. I don't know, but I feel that is what the white stuff is meant for. So this is what I ordered. And lastly, I got a fan, and guys, this is a 16 inches Nexus standing fan. my plan was to like fix up and set up this fan, but there is no light and there is no way I could do it, or I can do it. So for now, I don't even know what to say concerning electricity, but I just hope and pray everything just go back to normal, because I am so tired. So guys, I think we'll finally come to the end of today's video, and I just want to say thank you so much for my returning subscribers and my returning viewers. I love you. And for my new viewers and new subscribers, welcome to the family. We love you. Like, thank you. And guys, I'll be leaving the link of everything I got from Jumia in the description box below, so you can just go there and check it out. I don't have any discount code, I'm just leaving it there. Probably you guys might need something related to what I got, or someone you know might need something like what I got, so that is the reason why I'll be leaving the link there. Thank you so much, and see you in my next vlog.